So today we're making Chana Aloo, which is curry, chickpea, and potato. All right, so first we're gonna add some oil to the pan. And we're gonna start with the onions, and we're gonna build this dish from the ground up. Mix that around. Next goes the garlic. Next goes the cilantro. So we're gonna toast the cilantro up. Next is the curry powder. This is straight from Trinidad and Tobago. Then the chickpeas go in. Then we're gonna add our potatoes. These are russet potatoes. It's important that you use these. As they break down, they'll naturally thicken the dish. Then we'll add our water. We'll season it with a little bit of salt and pepper. Then this dish is gonna cook down for about 45 minutes. And now this is the consistency we're looking for. So we're gonna add in a little bit of cumin to finish it, and then it'll be ready to plate. And this dish pairs well with naan bread or traditional roti. And we're gonna throw on some cilantro. And then of course, we got our Plantbomb Caribbean Peppa Sauce we're gonna finish it with. And you can find more recipes at plantbomb.com.